Good afternoon to everyone. I am Tarun from Department of Tribly. Today, today my CA2 assignment topic is environmental studies, that is layers of atmosphere. So we can discuss the about the layers of atmosphere or what is the atmosphere that like that we can discuss here. Here we can see the layers of atmosphere. First of all, we discuss definition. What is meant by a atmosphere? A atmosphere is a thick gaseous envelope surrounding the earth from all sides and attached to the earth through its of gravity is called atmosphere. What are the main significance of atmosphere? It acts as a filter because harmful ultraviolet radiations are coming from to earth surface. Source of various life supporting for biospheres, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. It supports the life form in biosphere. And the next one is we can see here how many types of layers. There are five types of layers in atmosphere. The first one is troposphere. Troposphere, it extends up to an average altitude of 18 kilometers from the earth surface. This thickness of this layer is 8 kilometers per pole to 18 kilometers of the equator. At 165 kilometers there is a drop of 1 degree celsius to 6.4 per kilometers. This is the main the conclusion of main of troposphere. And the next one is we can see here stratosphere. The stratosphere extended up to about 50 kilometers, where stratosphere separates from the mesosphere. In this layer the temperature increases with increase in height. The temperature ranges in this layer from 60 degrees celsius. And mesosphere, the mesosphere is the above the stratosphere up to a height of about 80 kilometers is called a mesosphere. We can see the next one is ionosphere. What is meant by a ionosphere? You can see here ionosphere and layers of atmosphere like that. This ionosphere is located above the mesosphere and extended up to 600 kilometers. This layer is called ionosphere. Basically, it contains electrically charged ions and reflect radio wave back to the earth, which makes radio harmful gases. Temperature increase with height in ionosphere. This is called ionosphere. And the next one is thermosphere. The zone between the 85 kilometers and 600 kilometers above the surface is known as thermosphere. The upper part of the thermosphere contains only the gases like helium, hydrogen, etc. The day temperature at 600 exceeds 1400 degrees Celsius, while night at 225 degrees Celsius. And the next one is exosphere. The outermost part of the atmosphere of the earth is called exosphere. This zone of the atmosphere is about 10,000 kilometers thickness. These layer act as a transmission lines between the earth atmosphere and outer space. The outer part of this layer is called magnetosphere. Here we can see the diagram representation of the exosphere and the transmission lines between the atmosphere and the outers of the magnetosphere. Conclusion. The atmosphere is the set of air or gases. These gases are estimate value in the impact they make on men. Their positive and negative effects has been explained in the module from the point of the oxygen. This is supplied to opportunity. It provides for aviation and telecommunication facilities for humans. These although these layers are very important to the human resources and natural calamities for the different accepts in any situations. This atmosphere is a very this atmosphere consists of rich amount of oxygen levels that helps to live humans. So don't waste the waste of like plastics like carbon dioxide. This unwanted materials on the earth surface can be reduced to use. This is called the main conclusion for the layers of atmosphere. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you.